And on the subject of those patients, how have your patients responded to the GAINSWave treatment? Good outcomes, I hope?
Yeah, we've had some really great outcomes. I know that the GAINSWave data says about 85% of people have, meaningful response. And I would say my patients have at least that. I think it does depend a little bit on patient selection. And I'm learning more about that as I go on. The people that respond the best are people who are getting erections, but maybe they don't last as long. They kind of lose it, or they respond to Viagra, but Viagra doesn't work as well as it used to. Those people respond very well. I have a harder time with the people that aren't getting any erections at all. And it's probably because they're too far down the line at that point.
Got it. Is there a specific GAINSWave patient story that stands out to you?
Yeah. Actually, I have several, but one of my favorites is a gentleman that he was one of my first clients. He came to me. He's 72 years old, has been married for over 30 years. He takes good care of himself. He's exercises, eats well, all that sort of stuff, but he was having trouble in the bedroom. And his wife even said to him, honey, I think, we've had kind of a good ride, but maybe we should just accept that this is no longer going to be a part of our relationship. And he didn't want to accept that as an answer. So he came to see me, and he did the enhanced program, and his shim score went up 10 points. And he wrote me a full-page letter. He was so happy. And that was a year ago. And he came back for a 6-month maintenance. And I just saw him actually today. He's doing some more maintenance, but he's very, very happy with his response. And he told me after the 3rd treatment, his wife was starting to initiate sex again, which she had not done for a long time. So